Today, we have some unique details on the highly anticipated iPhone 15 Pro. Prepare to enter the world of cutting-edge technology and explore the unique characteristics of this flagship device. According to a credible source, the iPhone 15 Pro will be available in a gorgeous new color, blue. This dark blue with gray undertone is a change from past stainless steel models and matches the new titanium material used for the iPhone 15 Pro. The brushed finish gives it an attractive and classy appearance. The blue color has been seen on test smartphones, implying that it might be the final color choice for the next generation iPhone. However, Apple may utilize it for testing and choose a different color for the launch edition. Nonetheless, the blue model has piqued the interest of many Apple fans. The iPhone 15 Pro will not only wow with its attractive look, but also with its improved design and functionality. The device will have reduced bezels, delivering a more immersive viewing experience. In addition, the mute switch will be replaced with a multi-function mute button, and the volume and power buttons may be moved significantly. In terms of performance, the iPhone 15 Pro is expected to use the strong A17 Bionic CPU constructed on a 3nm technology. This will result in higher processing speeds and increased efficiency, making it a smartphone industry powerhouse. Photography fans will be pleased to learn that the iPhone 15 Pro Max will feature an upgraded camera architecture to enable a periscope lens with greater zoom capabilities. This lens will be unique to the Pro Max model, pushing smartphone photography to new heights. The adoption of the USB-C port in instead of the Lightning port will benefit iPhone customers by allowing for speedier data transmission and charging. It's worth noting that the normal iPhone 15 models will also see interesting improvements and will be available in vivid pink, blue, and green colors. As the launch date approaches, excitement for the iPhone 15 Pro grows. With its striking blue color, stylish design, and strong functions, this device is ready to make a statement in the smartphone business. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.